Protein is one of the most vital nutrients for building muscles, skin, enzyme production, etc. It plays an essential role in all body tissues. Although most foods contain protein, some people may still be at risk of protein deficiency. Protein deficiency leads to various health problems and causes many changes in the body over time. In this video on parshealthhtv channel, we are going to be sharing with you 10 signs of protein deficiency. Protein deficiency occurs when your protein intake does not meet the body's needs. Vegetarians, the elderly, and hospitalized patients are at risk of protein deficiency. Protein deficiency can affect almost every body aspect, so it has many symptoms. Number 10. Swelling. As the name suggests, this problem manifests itself with swelling and puffiness of the skin. It is one of the classic symptoms of kwashiorkor disease. Scientists believe that this disease occurs due to the low amount of human serum albumin. It is one of the most abundant proteins in the liquid part of blood or blood plasma. One of the main functions of albumin is to maintain oncotic pressure, the force that draws fluid into the bloodstream. In this way, albumin prevents excessive amounts of fluid from accumulating in tissues or other body parts. Due to the decrease in serum albumin in humans, severe protein deficiency causes a decrease in oncotic pressure. As a result, fluids accumulate in tissues and cause inflammation. For some reason, fluid accumulates in the abdomen, and one of the disease's common symptoms is excessive abdomen swelling. Keep in mind that this symptom is due to severe protein deficiency and is less likely to be seen in a developed country. Number 9. Fatty liver. Another common symptom of protein deficiency is fatty liver or accumulation of fat in the liver. If this problem is not treated, it may eventually turn into fatty liver disease, liver inflammation, liver injury, and eventually liver loss. Fatty liver is one of the common problems in obese people as well as those who consume a lot of alcoholic beverages. It is not yet clear why this happens to the liver due to protein deficiency. Number 8. Skin, hair, and nails problems. Lack of protein usually affects the skin, hair, and nails, which are largely made of protein. For example, protein deficiency in children shows itself with peeling or cracking of the skin and redness. Thinning hair, discolored hair, hair loss, and brittle nails are also common symptoms of protein deficiency. These symptoms show themselves if you have a severe protein deficiency. Number 7. Loss of muscle mass. Muscles are the largest reservoir of protein in the body. When the protein you get from food is low, the body takes the protein it needs from skeletal muscles to allocate to more important body tissues and functions. As a result, protein deficiency over time causes the loss of muscle tissue. Even a mild protein deficiency can cause muscle loss, especially in the elderly. As you get older, you should increase your protein intake to prevent muscle loss. Number 6. Increased risk of brittle bones. Muscles are not the only tissue damaged due to protein deficiency. Bones are also at risk. Not consuming enough protein can weaken your bones and increase your risk of fractures. A study conducted on postmenopausal women showed that consuming enough protein reduces bone fragility risk. Eating enough protein a day can greatly reduce the process of bone loss, especially in old age. Number 5. Delayed growth in children. Protein helps maintain muscle and bone tissue and is essential for body growth. For this reason, its deficiency is especially harmful to children whose bodies are constantly growing. Stopping physical growth is one of the children's most common symptoms of protein deficiency. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 4 on our list. Number 4. Increasing the intensity of infections. Protein deficiency can also affect the immune system. Weakening of the immune system can lead to the risk of increasing the severity of infections. Research has shown that diets that contain only 2% protein increase people's incidence of diseases such as influenza. On the other hand, diets that contain more than 18% protein keep the person safe to a large extent. Research has shown that even a slight lack of protein can weaken the immune system. Number 3. Increase in appetite. Although the loss of appetite is one of the symptoms of severe protein deficiency. But in milder cases, the opposite may happen, and the person's appetite increases. When your protein intake decreases, the body tries to increase its protein reserves again by increasing appetite. The body raises appetite so that you go towards protein food. But unfortunately, there are many foods available today that are high in calories. Eating them increases a person's calorie intake during the day. Many of these foods only contain some protein. The protein in these foods is very small compared to the calories they provide to the body. As a result, not eating enough protein can lead to weight gain and obesity. This is why increasing protein in your diet can reduce calorie intake and help you lose weight. If you always feel hungry and can hardly control your calorie intake, it is better to add some protein to all the meals you eat. Eggs, lean meats, fish, nuts, dairy products, and protein-rich vegetables are rich in protein and fuel your muscles and overall health. Number 2. Feeling weak and hungry. Terry Hopo Romero, author of several best-selling cookbooks, says that I was on a vegetarian diet and noticed that I felt unsatisfied, hungry, and lacked energy throughout the day. This is due to protein deficiency that vegetarian people may have. There are lots of rich sources of protein in plant-based foods. You only need to make healthier and wiser food choices to meet your daily need for protein. Number 1. Irritated skin. Lack of protein sometimes causes skin peeling or irritation, especially on the heels. The lack of a specific protein in the skin's protective barrier weakens it against allergens and other irritants. In addition to increasing protein intake, eczema medications also help improve the skin. If you see these symptoms in yourself, it is better to reconsider the amount of protein in your diet. You can share your opinions with us and other audiences in the comments section. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen.